This is the second time I'm creating this video. The first time I made it, it was at about 59 seconds. So YouTube considered it to be something called a short, and then it doesn't put it in the video section. So I unfortunately have to waste some of your time giving this introduction so that I could get this to be over a minute. So I got a email containing a snapshot that you can see here from somebody named Chris. I don't know if he wants me to use his last name. This is what the clip looks like that holds in the camera. He circled it in red. Now, in this image, it looks very shiny, but I think that this is the top of the screw. That's like an Allen wrench or a hex screw, and I never would have thought that it worked like this. You know, here's the piece of plastic clip, and it pushes against the back of the camera. So what I'm gonna do is wait for the tape to fall off. Eventually, it's going to get worse. I'll look for the clip in my trunk. If I can't find it, I'll go to a Ford dealer and see if they will sell me the clip individually. And you know, I'll take all the stuff out of my trunk. It might have fallen down into that area where the tire is. So thank you, Chris. The video is over 2 minutes long. I'm gonna back up here so you can see this is the inside of the trunk. And when I was feeling around with my fingers to see what was going on, it was too dark when I was working. I thought that this was the place that the screw went into. I think that's where I was touching, but it's actually someplace over here. Okay, I'm at about 2 minutes and 36 seconds of stalling, but you get to see the information that you would need to get the clip back on. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you for your patience of this long video.